Salut mes amis, j'espère que tu vas bien. Aujourd'hui, apprenons les articles définis. Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine. Well, today we are going to learn about the definite articles in French. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. In my previous videos, I have told you about the indefinite articles. And if you remember, indefinite articles are kind of synonymous to a and in English language, right? And the definite article is synonymous to the in English language. So wherever we have to use the in French language, we use the definite articles. Okay, and again, if you remember, there were three types of indefinite articles, right? Un, and they for masculine, feminine, and plural nouns. Similarly, we have four types of definite articles because we have an additional one for vowel here. Okay, so we have the first one, le, L-E, le, which is used for masculine singular nouns. Then we have la, L-A, la, which we use for feminine singular nouns. Then we have for nouns starting with a vowel. So we have L apostrophe. So as you see, the first three, they are for singular nouns. One is for masculine singular, that is la, feminine singular, la, and nouns starting with a vowel, L apostrophe. Okay. Now after this we come to les. Les is for all the nouns, whether masculine or feminine or starting with a vowel, but they are plural. So any noun which is plural, we have to use les. Okay, and you already know the importance of articles in French language. Articles are very important. Before any noun, article is necessary to be placed there, right? So articles hold a very special place in the French language, and all the nouns have an article before them according to the gender into which they are classified. Okay, so let's do few examples here. We have cahier. Okay, again in my previous videos, I had given a list of nouns where I have used indefinite articles in front of them. So from there also you can get an idea whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Also, I had told you earlier, if a noun is ending with E, 95% chances are there that it will be a feminine noun. Okay, only 5% nouns are there which end in E, but they are not feminine, they are masculine. So those are easy to remember. So let's have a look here again. Cahier. Cahier, a notebook. So notebook is masculine in French language. So if I have to say the notebook, so I will write le cahier. If I have the noun stylo, stylo, as you already know, it's a masculine noun. So I will write le stylo, right? Then we have banc, that's a bench. So it's again masculine. So le banc. Okay. Then we have gomme. So I will write la gomme, the rubber. La voiture, the car. La maison, the house, right? So, le cahier, le stylo, le banc, la gomme, la voiture, la maison. Okay. Now, I have few nouns here which are starting with a vowel. So, here I will write L apostrophe. L'école. We'll pronounce them together. Le and the vowel, the sound, they come together and they're pronounced as one. Okay, so it will be l'école, and école is a feminine noun. Here, l'étudiant. Okay, now étudiant, the gender can be changed to feminine also because student can be masculine or feminine, right? So if we have a masculine student, we'll write l'étudiant, and if the student is feminine, then we simply add an E and change it into a feminine noun, so it will become l'étudiant. All right. Then we have hotel, which is again a masculine noun, but since it is starting with a vowel, I will write L apostrophe in front of it. So it will become le hotel. Okay? Now we come to nouns which are plural. So again I have few examples here like stilo. So it will become le. So le stilo. The pens. The notebooks, les cahiers. The rubbers, les gommes. The students, les étudiants. Alright? Okay? So, why we need to know these definite articles? Because as I said earlier, articles hold a very important place in the French language. And in French language, we have several types of articles. So, we need to know each one of them. Alright? So, we have done indefinite articles which correspond to a, an. And now we have done the definite articles which correspond to the. Okay, I hope the articles are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can leave them in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel Schoolroom Online for more such videos. If you have any suggestions or queries, do let us know. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We also have a WhatsApp group and a Telegram channel. The links are given in the description box. This is for today. See you next time.